Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra. Today I'm installing a dual camera, Blackvue. This is the one I'm installing today. As you can see, it's all done. Some of the trim is going to be removed so I can run the wiring. So the rear was the hardest one to do, but the front one's a bit easier. Not as easy, but easier. So this is the actual Blackvue camera. It's going to sit there. There's a wiring here, comes from here, goes to there. I'll show you where it goes to. The wiring comes through here. I have to take all the trims off on this side here. So the wiring comes through there, here goes inside here. I ran it through the factory way, into here, into there. All these trim was off, one from there, underneath here, underneath there, and it goes into the actual rear camera there. So that's the Blackvue camera. So it's a lot of stuff that you're going to remove and work your way in. Otherwise you damage the wire, so just gotta take your time. So that's from the passenger side. So that's how it looks like from the front. I'll put it on the left hand side because if I put it on the right hand side it obstructs the driver's view. So it's always better to put it on this side here, so it does not obstruct the driver's view. So yeah, so all I gotta do now is just run the wiring. The wiring's all done here. Just sitting here, I've got to find the power. One's gonna be battery power, one will be accessory, one will be earth. So I'm gonna run a new wire, new fuse for this system here. But at the moment, it's looking good, so I can probably finish this by tomorrow. But this is the afternoon. So probably tomorrow should be finished in the morning, hopefully, and then we'll contact the customer. This is a Porsche Panamera 971. This is the new model Porsche Panamera. This one here. So, alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.